guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Rookie Clover. Kindly watch and enjoy yourself. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to on your notification message to see more of my video anytime I post. So let's get started on today's tutorial. We are making this simple Playsuit outer. Putting our dart measurement. So I'm going to put half an inch on both sides. So you can see as I'm putting the half an inch on both sides. So then you connect to your nipple point. You come down by 1 inch. Then you connect to your nipple point. After that, then you take your waist measurement. The waist you are working with, so it's 26 divided by 4 to give you 6.5. Then you transfer back the 1 inch dart that you took away. You had it back, you place it on it. Then you go to your bust. You divide your bust by 4. Whatever you are having, I'm having 8.5. I put my 8.5. I will just connect to my waist line, as you can see as we are doing it. So for the outer neck now, you will want to determine how wide you want your outer neck to be, but for this tutorial sake, we'll be using 2.5 inches for our outer neck. So you can see me marking the 2.5 inches. Then we connect to our armhole. That's our chest line. You just place your ruler on it to connect to your chest line. Like you can see as I'm doing it, it's very easy. So after connecting that, then you take the deepness of the neck. You can't just leave the neck like that. So I use 1 inch for it. Then I will connect back to my neck like this, as you're seeing it like this. After that, then we take the difference from our front, from our back. So the difference is 1 inch. So you can see as I'm marking it, the 1 inch at our, then we connect to our nipple point. You can see as I'm connecting it to the nipple point. So after that, we'll go to the back now. So for the back now, having is 2 inches, so divide it by 4 for the back. Then you can see that I'm taking half an inch on both sides for the dart. Then I'm connecting it to the chest line. Then you see I'm connecting it to the chest line. Then I'll connect the other side to the chest line as well. Then so we'll take half an inch for our zip bulging. So we'll take it, then we'll connect it to the chest line as well. Then we'll put our waist measurement. So our waist is 26 divided by 4 to give you 6.5. Then you take it after the zip bulging. 1 inch for the dart leg, you replace it back to your measurement. You can see as I'm doing it. Then I'll put my bust measurement, my bust divided by 4, 8.5. I'll connect back to my waist measurement. So after doing that, we are making this the back of this outer Playsuit is a deep back. So we're going to use 10.5 for our deepness of our back. Then we'll connect back to our chest line. You can see as I'm doing it, I'm connecting it back to our chest line because we want the back to be deep. So you can make yours not as deep as this. You can make yours to how you want it, to the choice of how you want your back. So now we are done with the outer neck for the front of the Playsuit. So to get started, we'll need to take the hip measurement. So the hip we're working with is hip 40 divided by 4 to give you 10. Then you add half an inch for each sewing. So you can see as I'm taking the 10.5 to our length measurement. So after taking it, then we'll connect our lines together. So the length we are working with is 16. So we'll take the length.
So it's a Playsuit. That means the knicker is going to be attached with the upper part of the dress. So because it's a Playsuit, it's something you're going to attach. That means you need more volume at your crotch length. So what I will do, my hip I'm working with is 10. The hip is 10. That's 40. 40 divided by 4, it will give you 10. So 10, I'm going to add 2 inches to my hip measurement. So if I'm adding 2 inches to my hip measurement, I'm going to have 12. 12 inches will be my measurement. So that means the crotch line I will be using is going to be 12 inches. When you wear your shorts, as you wear it, it will be like to be dragging it, so you need more volume at that region. So this is 12. So now to get my crotch my crunch line, the crunch depth. So I'll be dividing my hip divide by 20. And the hip we're working with is hip 40. So 40 divided by 20 to give you 10. So 10 divide, it will give you 2, sorry, to give you 2. 20 divided by 10, 40 divided by 20 to give you 2. So I'm going to place my 2 inches like this. So this will go like this, like this. So after getting that, I will need my hip line measurement. My hip line, the hip line is 9. You take it to 9 like this. So after taking the 9, you come down by 1 inch, you go up by 1 inch. So I'm going to place my waist measurement. So the waist I'm working with is waist 26 divided by 4, it will give you 6.5. So if you're putting that, maybe you feel like to put that, you can just add 1 inches for your dart. I'll just connect to my hip line like this. You see it? So after that, after getting my crunch line now, so if you want to like make a dart on it, what you do from this or crunch, you just divide into 2. So you divide into 2 like this. Like this. You connect. This is if you are putting darts. You just come down by 5, then half an inch, then half an inch, then half an inch. If you are putting darts, but if you are not putting that, it's not really necessary. It's not necessary, but I just have to show you how to put that on your short makeup, on your short. So after taking that now, so you know this is my hip line. Let me connect it so that you see it. 9 like this. So 2 divided by 2 to give you 1 like this. That's this one. This one divide it just to get our curve. So take it like this. Take it. You see? So yeah, from my round of my legs, I'm just take like this to bring out my hip properly. Like this. Did you see? So if I want to make my shorts to be tighter, I can just take the roundness of my short, the roundness of my leg. I'll just place the measurement. What I'll do, I'll just place the measurement like this. Whatever I have, if I have 36, I'll just place it like this. Take the roundness, whatever how big you want it to be or how free you want it to be. But for this tutorial sake,
so that means it's 16. So 16 will be the round curve of our down of our short. So you can see as I'm confirming it, then I will just connect to that point of my.
but maybe I don't want it to be tight. I want it to be just free at the same it. I'll just connect like this. Either both. Connect like this or connect like this. So that is for the front. So for the back, okay, so for the back, we need our length. The length we are working with is 16. This is 16. You connect. So the hip we are working with 40. 40 divided by 4 to give you 10 plus half an inch for ease. You connect like this. So after connecting that, you need your hip line. So the hip line 9. Your hip line 9. So I know some will be wondering why I'm using 9. If you take your waist from, you put your tape at your tip of your waist, so where your hip starts from, it's 9. Some persons is 9, some persons is 8. If I prefer to work with 9, so this is, you come up by 1 inch, you go down by 1 inch, like this. Then, for my crunch line, we are working with hip 10. So I'll just add 2 inches to it. That will make it 12. I will make it 12 for my crunch like this. So I'll connect. So this will be as my crunch. So I will divide your hip. So this time for the back, we are going to divide our hip by, we have hip divide by 10 for the back. The hip we are working with is 40 divided by 10 to give you 4. Is equals to 4. 4. So we are going to place 4 like this. So 4, it will be like this, like this. Are you seeing it? So after that, when you divide 4 by 2, it will give you 2. So you place 2 like this. Or what I'll do, I'll just I'll just connect like this. Are you seeing it? Let me connect it. Taking it, we need our waist measurement. So the waist you are working with is 26. 26 divided by 4, 6.5. If you are putting that at the back, value that. So now I'll connect to my hip line like this. So like this. The same thing, I'll go in by 1 inch like this. Like this. So now, after connecting, then I will, from here, I think I use to the back will be wider. So what I will do from here, I'll just connect like this. The back is always wider than from this. So I'm not going to extend my back like coming up by 1.5, because if you come up at the end of the day, you're still going to cut for your zip bulging. So I don't put it. So what I'll just do, I'll just cut it like this. Just put my zipper allowance at this part like this. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, to on your notification bell for you to get more.
Your smile lit up like a sunrise glow. Touch so soft where the seasons flow. We met where the stars take their flight. Every moment with you feels just right. Whisper your name